So welcome to lecture. In this lecture we discuss about the control flow part 2 and we solve the practice question. We solve the two practice problem and learn about the if else statement, or you can say control flow statement. But before moving the next part, I urge to everyone, please solve the assignment of last lecture. I tell you where you can find the assignment: episode 08 control flow assignment.md file. This is actually assignment. Let's zoom a little bit so you can easily. Today we discuss about the episode 9 and solve some problems of control flow. Control flow. So let's jump in the option and discuss about the problem. Our first problem is smallest of three. It's actually name of the problem. What does the problem say? Problem say Ram, Shyam and Mohan are the best friends. All are the born in the same year and same month. Okay. All are DOB is different by the day of birth. Okay, so month and the year both are the same, but the difference between the day of birth. Then find out the who is the older than others. Okay, so we can easily understand the problem. What is actually problem? Problem say by the user. Let's create the first.c file. Like Ram is like age 0101 2002. Shyam age of 01 02 01 and 2002, and Mohan is the age of, we take the example Mohan age of 03. Then who is the older? Ram is actually older. Why? Because we say the month and the year both are the same, but the date is the older. 01 is the smaller than the 02 and 03. Then we say the Ram is the older. Very good. Let's check the obvious. All are working good. Yes. Then given day of month by the name of the A, B and the C. Okay. And we print the person name who is the elder than the remaining friends, like 12, 5 and 23. Then who is the older? Shyam is the older because Ram, Shyam and Mohan. Then Shyam is the older. 2, 10 and 9. Then who is the older? Ram is the older. So that is a very basic problem, I think. Let's resolve. Then how? First we write the control flow of the program, how to execute our program, so we can easily understand. Okay, so let's move. First we take the user input from keyboard. What is the second step? We process the edges and find out the oldest age. And how do we calculate these things? It's very easy. We compare between the Ram, Shyam and Mohan. Okay, like 01, 02, 03, like this. How to compare? So A is greater than or equal to B. Sorry, A is less than or equal to B. And B is also less than from the C. What I'm saying? Ram is the younger than Shyam. Okay. Ram is also younger than Mohan. It means we say that Ram is the actual Ram is the older than Shyam. Ram is also older than Mohan. It means we say Ram is actually guy which is the elder than the other two remaining guy. Like the same condition, B is also less than from C, and B is less than or equal to from the A. If this, then we say okay, B is the two guy, and the first condition we say the A. Sorry, A and the A. Okay. Otherwise we can say easily C answer come into the picture. Why? Because both conditions we can write into if block, if or else if. The third condition we can write in else if block. If you don't know about the what is else if and if else, please watch the last lecture, then jump into this lecture, because this lecture actually depends upon the last lecture. Okay, let's move and write the code. What we write the code, we first include the standard input output header file. Why? Because we need to scanf and printf function, and scanf printf function actually comes from the standard input output header file. Very good. Let's write the main function. Let's scroll. Very good. And accept the input or edges from the user side. So first we declare age Ram, age of Shyam, of Mohan. So what we do, actually first we declare all the variables, age of Ram, Shyam and Mohan. Good. And we can print a statement on the terminal. Okay, so user can easily identify. At this time I can write the input or give the input to the computer. So printer, enter the ages, and the next line we can take the input from user, %d, %d and %d. Why we use the %d, don't use the %f? Because we all know that ages are in the integer, or what is the format specified for the integer is the %d. Very good. Put the ampersand and age of, sorry, Ram. First we take the Ram, again put the age of Mohan and age of Shyam. You can ask me a question. While research you can take these three variables or declare three variables. Why we don't use the ABC? I always say use the best variable names. So machine also can easily identify, and also human can easily identify. If you really want to become a great engineer, then write a code which actually humans can read, because machine can read any type of code. Let's write the first condition. Age of Ram less than or equals to age of Mohan, and age of Ram also less than or equals to age of Shyam. Then what we do, age of Ram is age of Mohan. It means age of Ram is older than the age of Mohan. Mohan. Also Ram is also older than Shyam. Then what we do, we simply do printf Ram is older guy. Okay, very good. And otherwise we can all the right conditions in our else if block. So I copy the whole block and make required changes or necessary changes. So here we calculate actually age of Mohan is less than from the age of Shyam. Again age of Mohan is less than from the age of Ram. If this condition true, it means what we say, Mohan actually older guy. Printer, Mohan is older guy. Otherwise what we can say, easily say can, okay, just start. In the last condition we say Ram actually older guy. So let's again copy the same thing and run. Ram is older guy. And after the last we can easily write the return 0. So very good. First press the Ctrl B to check our directory structure, episode 09 control flow. Okay, press the Ctrl J, clear the terminal. If you don't know how to clear terminal, use CLR in the Linux, and if you are in Windows user, then you can use the CLR. But I am the Linux user, so CLR not working in my computer. Let's first change the directory. Episode 09. Okay, and run the file first.c -o and first. Why we write the GCC? To invoke our compiler. Why we write the first.c? Because our file name is first, and .c for the C file extension. hyphen O for the output, and where you want to our binary in the first folder and the same target. Let's press the Control J and Control B. You easily can see the first here. Let's execute the binary. If you are in a Linux, then you can easily run the binary by the use of /. Enter pages 148. RAM actually older. Okay, so 148 it means RAM actually older guy because 1 is the less than. Let's try more. 315. Okay, so Ram, Mohan and Syam. Ram, Syam and Mohan. So we do one wrong thing here. Ram, Syam and Mohan. Okay, we take the wrong age. Syam here and Mohan is the here. Very good. Again, enter this 315. Ram, Syam actually come to answer Y. Let's check. Age of Ram is less than Mohan and Syam. Syam. And okay, so age of Syam, age of Mohan, Ram is actually okay. Here is the Syam. 135. Ram actually older is actually right, and 315. Syam, Mohan. So actually Syam is the older guy. Ram, Syam, and the Mohan. Okay, good. Ram is the less than from the Mohan, and Ram also less than from the Syam. Then Ram is older guy. Okay, is the right. Age of Mohan is the less than from Syam. Age of Mohan is the less than from the Ram. Then we say Mohan is actually older guy. Otherwise we say the Syam. Actually, all things are going good. We don't worry. So we solve the problem. Wait. We take the example of 12, 5, 23. 12, 5, 23. Mohan is the older guy. Let's check. Ram and Syam. Which is the correct? Syam actually committed. What we do wrong? Let's check it out. Age of Ram, Syam, and Mohan. Good. First we target to Ram. If Ram is less than Mohan and Ram also less than equal to Syam, then we say printf Ram actually older guy, which is the correct. Mohan is a second. Mohan is less than from Syam, and Mohan ages from also from the less than Ram. Then we say Mohan is a older guy. Now our example, what is say? 5 actually less than from 12. Yeah. 5 is also less than from the 23. Wait a minute. We can do one thing. Ram, Syam, and age of Syam. Here we compare the age of Ram, Mohan and Ram. Mohan and Ram, here we say the Syam. Otherwise we say the Mohan. Again say the file / first. And what is the example? 12, 5, 23. 12, 5, 23. Syam is older guy, which is actually correct. 2, 10, 9. Let's take the next example. 2, 10 and 9. Ram is older guy. Let's check. Ram is older guy. So we all are going good. Let's revise the whole code. What we do first? First we take the 3 input from the user side and we check if A is less than from the B and A also less than from the C. Then we say answer is the A. Then we go for the next condition. Check the B is less than equal to C and B is less than equal to A. Then we say B. Otherwise we say C. Most important one thing, always remember, whenever we use the AND logical operator, it means both conditions are true, then actually other conditions are the true, like this printf function statement. Otherwise don't run this statement. Okay, I can give you the example related to this. Let's create the second dot C file, the control B, and can we copy the whole things? Yeah, and write the return 0. I copy the code, but you remember, I think, because 7 or 8 lecture happened, we write the same code again, boilerplate code in C. I say int a equals to 3, b equals to 4. If a greater than equals to b and a equals to 4, then actually printf true. Otherwise we can print false. So this is actually very basic code. Understand carefully. We create a bucket in our random access memory RAM, and the a equals to 3 and where b equals to 4. A is greater than b? No. So actually first condition actually false. We can do one thing. But the second condition is true. This condition actually never execute. Why? Because we use the AND operator. Whenever you use the AND operator, logical operator, then it must first condition is also true and second condition is also true. If each condition or one condition actually failed, then never we execute the block of code. Then it means what we print on the terminal? Printf false. Let's check it out. gcc second dot c hyphen o second, and let's execute the binary at the same step. False, which is actually correct. So you can easily understand. Let's again choose the same example. Choose the same example. Wait. What happened? Let's copy and paste. Let's comment. At this time I use the pipe operator or operator. Can you guess the what is output? False? No. True actually come. Why? A is greater than B actually false, because 3 never is greater than from the 4. But A equals to 3 is a true. So if one of the conditions is true in the OR operator, then block of code is a must run. Let's check it out. True. It means I am right. Okay, so you can easily understand all the things. Let's take going for the next example of problem statement. This is also very good problem, and you learn many more things in the problem. And this type of problem you can solve here the code set or lead code. Ria loves numbers. Okay. She wants to create a collection of lucky numbers. Good. A lucky number, not luck, the lucky number. Let's correct that. Control E and lucky. Control A. A lucky number is the 4-digit number which are the sum of first 2-digit number equal to sum of last 2-digit number. Okay, I carefully observe one thing. Ria loves number, it's okay. And she wants to collect all the lucky numbers. And what is the lucky number? Lucky number actually 4-digit number, where sum of first 2-digit number always and always equals to last 2-digit sum. Like 1 2 to 1. So 1 2 means first 2-digit sum is 3 and last 2-digit sum is 3. Okay, and 3 equals to 3, it means true. Like 1 3 3 1, 4 equals to 4. Can you find the what's the lucky number or not? It means we actually write a program. So 1 2 3 0, 2 1 3, 3 plus 0 is the 3. So 3 equals to 3, it means we print the lucky number, otherwise we print the not a lucky number. Let's make an approach. And how to visualize this type of problem and how to solve. Let's jump into the VS Code, or we can take example on this Excel row. Very good, but let's zoom little bit. Okay, Control Tab. Okay, so we don't need to close this. Yeah, all things are going good. I say a number is the 1 2 to 1. Then what I'm saying, I say 1 plus 2, first digit plus second digit equal to 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 3 equals to 3. Or that is means true. 1 2 3 4. This is a true or false. Please watch this video and try. Let's. I hope you try. 1 plus 2 equal to 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 actually come into the 3, and 3 plus 4, the sum is the 7. That means this statement not true. Yes, we will understand. Sum of the first two digit number always entered always equals to last digits and sum of last two digit. Very good. But how to calculate or find out the digits of a number? Okay, very good. We actually find out one thing, how to calculate these type of things. I say wait for a while. Come here. Let's take another example. 98. Okay, 98. We need to calculate what is the first digit and what is the second digit. First calculate the second digit. How to calculate second digit or how to find out the second digit? If you carefully observe, 98 modulo 10. 98 modulo 10. Then what I get? I get the 8. I get the 8 as the last digit or second digit. Here the same thing I can do. 98 modulo. After then we can first divide and then we do. 98 by 10 is come 9. What is 98 by 10 is the 9, and then we take the again modulo. 10 comes 9. Okay. So actually we understand one thing. Whenever we need to digit, if we need of a digit, then we use the modulo operator, OPRTOR operator. That is one thing is true. If we divide DEVID, correct spelling? I don't know this is correct or not. If we divide the number by 10, okay, what happened? If we divide the number, then we lose, or then we lose the last digit and make small number. Okay, so 1 2 3, this is the example. First operation, what we do, we always and always calculate the last digit or find out the last digit. Then what we do, 1 2 3 modulo 10. So here come into the picture, 3 is the last digit. Then we divide the number by 10 because we need the 2, and how to 2, then we divide by the number 10, so we get 12. Perform the third operation, 12 modulo 10, and we get the digit 2. Okay, fourth operation, what we do in the fourth operation, we again divide 2 by 10, and here we get the 0. Whenever we get the 0, then we actually stop, because if your next step is clearly seen, 0 modulo 10, then what you get? 0. After then you 0 0 0 come into the picture. So we can perform the 4 operation on the 1 2 3 and get the result. And the same thing we can do, because our answer is the like 3 and the 2, and we after then we can add 3 plus 2. Now what is the 3 plus 2 is the 5. 3 plus 2 It's a 5. Good. 12 by 10 modular the 2 come into the picture and 2 by 10 is the 0. But if carefully observe one thing, then you move easily next or the 1, 2, 3, then by 2, 10, 10 ones are 10, the 2 remaining and 12 come to the picture. Then we do again modular and 12 modular 10 is the come into the 2 remaining and 2 by 10 is the 0 and 0 next going in. But why we do next extract the 1? Can you find out? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3 modular 10, then we 3, very good. 1, 2, 3 divided by the 10. Okay, we divide the same number, then we get the 12. Good. Then we again 12 take the modular 10 and the 2 and 2 modular 10 is the 0. I don't understand one thing. I think this is the confusing little bit. First we take the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 by modular 10. So actually 3 actually come. 3. Our first digit actually come. Then we divide and 12 come. Then 12 by 10. Then 2 modular actually come. Then we actually divide the number by 12. 12 by 10, not. Then actually come 1. And we take the 1 modular 10. Then 1 come into the picture. And this is the 1 our digit. So what actually come? 3 digits are come. 3, 2 and 1. And what we do? We only perform the first 2 operation. So we calculate the first 2 digits. We perform the last 2 operation. So we calculate the last 2 digits as sum and equal to. That is very easy approach. Let's move on the next example. And 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. In first operation, what we do? 1, 2, 2, 1 divided by modular 10. Then actually we get the first digit. Last digit. Last digit or fourth digit. Now what is our fourth digit? Is the 1. Good. Then after what we do? We always divide by the same number. 1, 2, 2, 1 by 10. At this time what we get? 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Let's perform the third operation. In third operation what we do? 1, 2, 2. Again take the modular 10. And at this time we get the third digit. What is the third digit? Is the 2. Perform the fourth operation. Now what we do in the fourth operation? We always divide 1, 2, 2 by 10. Now here we get actually 12. Let's perform the operation number 5. Let's copy. We can do copy the whole thing. Copy and paste. And here the 5 and here the 6. The operation on the 12 because our ultimate number come into picture is 12. Now here is also 12. And fourth digit. What is the fourth digit come? Actually 2. Now what is the 12 by 2? Is the 2. Sorry, 1. Then we perform the seventh operation. It's the 8. What is our number? Is last number is 1. Then 1 modular 10. So actually 1 come. And this is the first digit. And we divide by the same number. 1 by 10 is a 0. Or whenever 0 come, then we actually stop our whole thing, whole program. But obviously we print and check the sum. And what is the lucky number say? Lucky number say first digit and this is the second digit. First digit plus second digit always equal to third digit plus fourth digit. Control C and fourth digit. Let's correct all first thing. Yeah, so easily understand. Let's give me 2 minutes so I can arrange all of the things. What a point. Third digit and fourth digit. So very basic example you can understand easily. So we need to calculate four variable value. Fourth digit, third, second and first. We create the fourth and follow the same procedure. Okay. After that you get assigned notes of this lecture where I can paste all of the things. Very good. Let's write the code. Control B and third dot C. Let's copy paste the boilerplate code. We don't need to write another time. Return 0. We need to calculate or type declare the four variables. Is the digit, first digit, second, third and fourth digit. So int first digit, second digit, third digit and fourth digit. Let's one more check the working or not. All things are going good. Very good. And also define a number and take from the user. Not seeing printf %d ampersand n and then not printf is the scanf. Goods and going good. What first we do? We number n modulo 10 and calculate our fourth digit. So we also do n modulo 10 in the fourth digit. Then what we do? N by 10 and store in the same variable n equals to n by 10. And this step perform the for time, I think. So fourth digit, then third digit and second digit and first digit. And we need to check int ans is equal to first digit plus second digit. We don't write the answer here. If first digit plus second digit equal to third digit plus fourth digit, then we say yes. Printf %n is lucky number. Otherwise we can say %n is not defined. Let's define well num. Otherwise we say your number is not is lucky number and end. Very good. We write the whole program. Let's revise. What we do? First we declare the four digit. Then we take the n from the digit side. Then we calculate the fourth digit. How to calculate the fourth digit? N modulo 10. Whenever you need to calculate last digit of a number, always take the modulo and after then divide the number. We perform the same thing for third digit, same thing for the second digit, and same thing perform for the first digit. Then we check Sum of first and second digit is equal to or not for the third digit and fourth digit. If this is a true, then we say okay, percent n is a lucky number, otherwise not. Let's check all things going good. Let's save the file, and I can think this is going good. GCC third.c hyphen o third, and execute the binary at this time. Enter the number 1221. Segmentation fault actually come. Why? Let's check what happened. 1221 come into the picture, then n modulo 10, then 1. Here 1, we take the input, percent n. We include all the necessary thing. Let's check it out. If anything missed, 1221. So 1 here. After that number is a divide, and 122 by 10, then 122. 122. Then we take the also modulo, then 2 come. After that we divide the whole number again, then 12 come into the picture. Then again take the modulo, then 2 come. Okay, and we divide the number 12 by 10, then we get the 2. Okay, after that we take the modulo, then 2 come, and 2 by 10 is the 0. 2 by 10 actually 0. Then why the segmentation fault come? Let's check it out. Printf all the first num, first digit. First digit we cannot print like this. %d. Okay, this is actually segmentation fault. %d, because what is the type of n is the integer. Now what we use the %n, that is the wrong. %d use 1221. 0 is lucky number. Okay, why is it 0? Can you tell me? Because whenever we divide, the n actually comes to 0. So we cannot do these things. So what we do? We create an int original num, and that is the value of n. Here we print the original num and original num. Let's first clear the terminal. 1221 is the lucky number. Very good. 1220. 1220 is also lucky number. Not, because 2 plus 0 is the 2 and 1 plus 2 is the 3. Since we're doing anything over there is the wrong. Is not a lucky number. Again run. 220, not a lucky number. Going good. Let's check one more time. 1 2 2 1. All things are going good. Let's raise the whole program for you. What we do? Come to there here. Let's copy the whole code, and here I can write the solution. It's the control E. Solutions, and we write the control B for part 1 and part 2. Let's write the block of code in C. So this is the code. You can easily revise here. So what we do, let's come into the Excel row and understand. Whenever you find out or you need to calculate the last digit of a number, always take modulo. Okay. Whenever you need to take the 10th part of a number, then we divide it by the 10. This procedure follow the same whenever it comes to 0. If comes to 0, then we stop the whole procedure and calculate our all things. Let us show you the assignment where you can easily find out a question related to this. Control B, Control KW. Again, open the assignment.md file. That's don't need of where I write this problem. Yes, write a program. WAPs may all write a program or to find out a number is a palindrome or not. If user gives a number by the using of keyboard, palindrome number, a number palindrome if your original number and reverse number is the same. What I say 1 2 2 1. Okay, 1 2 2 and 1. If you carefully observe one thing, 1 and 1, 2 and the 2, and let's reverse the number, then again comes to 2. If original number and the reverse number is the same, then you say original number is the palindrome number. Then you can find out how to find out. It's very actually easy. You can find out for the four digit. Okay. And the second question is also interesting, which is actually task 5. You are given integer and you allowed to add any one digit in between the 0 to 9, and you are tasked to find out the smaller digit which actually divided the whole number by the 10. For example, input is a 37. What you add? We add the 3. So actually 40 is divisible by the 10. Let's add the 1. 38 actually come to the result. 38 is not divisible by the 10. So you can easily find out and solve this assignment. I add the whole things for you. I think here in the image option, export image as an image, PNG to clipboard, and let's paste. Yes, so here you can take example and understand all the things related to this, and also paste the solution for the first problem. First.c file, the complete explanation of the part 1 solution. Yeah, so let's end this lecture. This lecture is very beautiful, and I also learned many things because I also find out the many problems in my program. So it is very useful for me and useful also you. I also created the 8th lecture of this series, and this is the 9th lecture. Please support this channel. I really need the support of you, and because if you support, if you like the video, subscribe the channel, it's giving me the motivation to create more videos like this. Please support this. Let's end this lecture.